Welcome to A to Z Learning Academy. Good morning, children. Today I would like to explain some important sums which are containing 8 marks. In our earlier classes, we have we have discussed about some important topics on sets. Now we are in 8 mark sums. In that first sum is, I am saying, just listen and watch it. Here, if A is equal to x such that x is a natural number and B is another set, x is an even natural number, and C is set that is I think odd natural number. This is x is an odd natural number, and the last set, D, x is such that x is a prime number. Here 4 types of sets were given. Here A is, first set is A, B, C, D. So we have to find out A intersection B, A intersection C, A intersection D, B intersection C, B intersection D, and C intersection D. Here, if we observe in all the sums, we have to find out intersection. Here intersection means, what is intersection? How can you find this all the sums? So here intersection, I think we have to write the elements which are in both sets. Already in our earlier session, I explained you through Venn diagram also. See here, just I am revising it. Suppose if these are 2 sets, here the place which is common place, this place has contained both sets. Okay, both sets must be have this place. So we have to write like this. So suppose if one set, another set, intersection means we have to write the common area. Okay, now here we have to write the elements of B, A and B. Here I am writing the elements. Here A, the set A is natural numbers. Natural numbers means we know it starts from 1. It has no end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. There is no end. These elements are, we can say these elements are natural numbers. And second set B. B is all the even natural numbers. We know even natural numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I think these all are divisible by 2. These can be called as even numbers. So even natural numbers. And then odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13, 15 like this. These all are odd natural numbers. And D is prime numbers. D is having prime numbers. So these 4 sets are given. I think this is the roster form. Okay, in our sum has given these all are set building forms. Okay, these are set building forms, and these are roster forms. Okay, now our first question is A intersection B. Here in A intersection B, are set A. These are elements set B. So here we have to find out intersection. So intersection means we have to write common elements in both sets. Common elements in both sets. See here 2 and 2 here, 4 and 4 here, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10 like that. All elements in B are in element A also. So these all elements are common elements. Okay, so that's why you have to write all these elements are here. Why it has come like that? Because here see, these all are even natural numbers. These all are natural numbers. So all even numbers should be present in natural numbers. That's why we are getting this answer. Now A intersection C. These all are the natural numbers set A, and these all are odd natural numbers set C. We have to find out intersection. Here, to find out intersection, we have to write common elements. Common elements, these elements should be present in both sets. That's why we have to check. 1 is present here, 3 is present here, 5 is present here, like that. These all elements are present in this also. It means these elements are common elements in both sets. That's why our answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15, like that, and so on. So this is the answer is C. A in section C is, we have to write all the elements in A and all the elements in C. We have to check whether these all elements are in, we have to write common elements in both sets. So these are common elements in both sets. So that's why we have written the answer. And then A intersection D. A intersection D means here first we have to write all the elements in A, means all are natural numbers have written here, and then set D. In set D means all are prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers. So we have to find out intersection. So in these two sets, common elements we have to write. So common elements, just check here. 2 is here, 2, and 3 is here, 3 also here, and 5 also here, 7, 11, 13, like that. All the prime numbers are present in A. So that's why this set is our answer, will be answer. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, these all are prime numbers. Actually all prime numbers are in our natural number set of natural numbers. That's where answer is D. And then next is B intersection C. Here B means all are even numbers and C is all are odd numbers. See here, intersection means we have to check common elements. See here whether is there any common elements in these two sets. I think no, because here these are all even numbers, these all are odd numbers. There is no common element these two sets. That's why this is our answer. Empty braces, null set. Okay, empty set or null set. Already we have discussed about this null set in our earlier session. Now B intersection D. Now B intersection D. Now we are in fourth one, B intersection D. Here B means, the set B means all prime, all even numbers. These all are prime numbers. So here we have to find out the common elements in both sets. In both sets, common elements, I think only two here, because here in prime numbers, even prime number will be exist here. Even prime number exists, that is 2. So that's why 2 will be the common element in these two sets. So that's why singleton set 2 is our answer. And then next C intersection D. In C intersection D, C means all odd numbers, D means all prime numbers. So when we observe common elements in these two sets, common elements in these two sets, except 2, all the other numbers, other prime numbers are in this set. So 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, this is our answer. Our second sum, write all the subsets of the following sets. Here two sets were given, set A and set B. In set A, 3 elements are there, P, Q, R. In set B, 1, 4, 9, 16. Here 4 elements are there. We have to find out the subsets. In our earlier classes, we have discussed what is subsets, how can we find subset, number of subsets, like that. All were discussed in our previous classes. So in set A, elements PQR. So we are writing subsets here. First subset is pi, and this is another subset. Every set is itself is a subset, and empty set is subset to every set. That's why we have to write these two sets are important also. Here P, Q, R, individual elements are also a set, will form set. P, Q, P, R, Q, R. Okay, these are our elements which forms set from the main set A. So pi, P, Q, R, PQ, PR, QR and A. These all are subsets which are formed from the main set. Okay, next set B, 1, 4, 9, 16. 1, 4, 9, 16. So all the subsets of B are subset C. Just in our previous sum I told you pi is subset to every set, and every set itself is a subset to that set. These two are important. And also we have to write individual elements also, we can write as a sets 1, 4, 9, 16, like that. 4 elements are individual sets like. And here 1, 4, 1, 9, 1, 6. We are taking 1 as first element and second element. The remaining elements are written here 4, 9, 16, like that. And second element, and 4 is as first element, and remaining all elements are second elements. And 9 is first element, remaining elements, like that. So here these all are subsets from the set B. Okay, our next sum. A is equal to x such that x is an even prime. About this one, in our next sum, A is equal to x such that x is an even prime number, and B is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 12. Here this is natural numbers. Okay, in our first sum discussed about natural numbers. In that all the natural numbers were given, but in this sum less than 12. Okay, less than 12 natural numbers which are less than 12 only. I think up to 11 only. So here next set C, x such that x is a multiple of 4 less than or equal to 12. Okay, multiple of 4 less than or equal to 12. And another set D, x such that x is a factor of 12. Okay, factor of 12. So here we have to find out A union B, C intersection D, A intersection D, A minus D. See, in our previous sum, first sum, intersection were discussed. Okay, sums related to intersection were discussed. Here newly given, that is A union B and A minus D also given here. So before going to the answer, just observe the question once again. In this, first A is an even prime. Even prime means we have 2 only. Okay, we can write this set should be like this only. And the x is a natural numbers less than 12. Less than 12 means 1, 2 up to 11. Okay, here. And here multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 mean 4, 8, 12, like that only. Here less than or equal to is there now. So here first set A is even prime number. I told you already A is equal to 2 only. And then natural number less than 12. Here all the numbers which are less than 12. Okay, up to 11. And then set C, multiple of 4, see 4, 8, 12. Less than or equal to 12. Here condition is less than or equal to 12. That's why we have to write 4, 8, 12 only. and then x is a factor of 12. So factor of 12 means, see here, 1 2 3 4, I didn't write 6 also, 6 there, and 6 and 12. So like that all 4 sets were written here. Now we have to find out A union B. A union B means in A first this set has written here, and B is these all elements written here. So A union B, union means we have to write the elements of both sets in a single set, like that. So 2 is here, 2 is here. If we add all these, I mean if we mix all these numbers, I mean all elements in one set, okay, answer will be like this only. And C intersection D. C means 4 8 12, and D means 1 2 3 4 6 12. 4 and 12 are our answer. Here intersection, no, that's why you have to write the common elements. So here see, here 4 and here also 4, that's why 4 has written, and 12 also there, that's why 12 is there. Remaining elements are not common, so that's why 4 and 12 are our answer. And then A in section C. A means set one element only there, that is root only 2, and C means multiples of 4 less than 12, less than or equal to 12, that's why 4 8 12, 4 8 12. So here common element, no common element, here 2, here 4 8 12, so that's why no common element, that's why we have to write it here. Okay, now in last one, A minus D. See here, up to now we have discussed union intersection only, but here new symbol minus. So here root 2 minus 1 2 3 4 6 12. See, in our earlier classes we have discussed how to write minus, so just you have to see. So in our earlier class I told you how can we write A minus B. Suppose this is A and this is B, A and this is B. We have to write the answer A minus B is like that. You have to eliminate B from A. The remaining space is our answer. We have to write the elements which are left in A only. Okay, which are left in A only. That is the important thing we have to keep in your mind. It means the elements are in A but not in B. Okay, elements are in A, not in B. We have to write that only. Keep in. So in A minus D, root 2 minus 1 2 3 4 6 12. This is also pi, empty set. Elements are in A, not in B. Here 2 is in A, but this is also in B also. So that's why we don't write 2 as its answer. So here it is not a intersection. If this is intersection, you will write this answer. Okay, A minus D means we have to write the elements in A but not in D. That is the main point need to keep in your mind. Next sum in our 8 mark sums, in that if A is equal to 3 6 9 12 3 6 9 12 15 18 21, and B is equal to 4 8 12 16 20, and C is equal to 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16, and D is equal to 5 10 15 20. I think these are multiples of 5, and here multiples of 2, and here multiples of 4, and here multiples of 3. So here we have to find A minus B, A minus D, C minus A, and B minus D. So to find out these, already I explained here in finding out A minus D. A minus B means we have to write the elements in A but not B. We have to write the elements in A but not D. We have to write the elements in C but not A. We have to write the elements in B but not D. Okay, you have to keep all these points in your mind. Okay, now a minus b. So to find this, we have to write the elements of a first and then elements of b. Okay, here a minus b. So how to find out a minus b? We have to check whether is there any common element. So here check here, I think 12 is there and 12 also there. Okay, you strike out 12. Okay, is there any other element common in both sets? No. So we have to write the elements of this set here as answer. So 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21 is the answer. And then next you have to write a minus d. You have to write the elements of a only. Is there any common element in these two? Just you have to strike out that elements and remaining answer right here. Here see 5 is there, no 5. 10 is there, no 10 in this. 15 is there, yes. So you have to strike out 15. 20 is there, no. So you have to write the remaining elements as answer. So here 3, 6, 9, 12 and 18 and 21. 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21 is the answer. And then see here c minus a. C means you have to write these elements multiples of 2 and a means here this is multiples of 3. Is there any common elements in these two sets? Once check here, I think 6 is here. 6 is strike out. And then 12 is here. 12 is strike out. Is there any other element? I think no. So 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16, these elements are the answer of C minus A. And then B minus D. B minus D. See, element set of B, set of D. B for multiples of 4 I think and multiples of 5. So just you have to check here, is there any common element in these two sets? I think 20 is there. So 20 is the strike out the 20 and the remaining elements are our answer. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4, 8, 12, 16 are the answer. Okay, these are the important questions. 8 marks questions. Thank you for watching my lesson. See you later. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.